How many people you know will do exactly what I just did there? Exactly. Put the cart back where it's supposed to belong. How many people will do that? Do you do that? Do I even do that? Guys, that's what this video is about, because at the end of this video, I'm going to tell you what happened the other night that was completely mind-boggling. And yes, it has everything to do with grocery carts and where they go, where they return to. Well, you know what I mean. All right, let's get out of this Walmart parking lot. People are starting to give me funny looks. And let's go somewhere and I'm going to tell you exactly what happened the other night. But let's talk about putting the carts in the cart returns. Okay, before we go any further with the video, it is absolutely a beautiful day, folks. Oh my God. It is, but this is not going to last. This is a major fluke. It truly is, but you know what? I'm taking every second for what it's worth. All right, I would be a freaking liar if I told you I returned the cart every single time to the cart holder. I'd be a liar. But I will tell you this, I've been doing it since, oh shoot, since 2000, I say 10? Yeah, I've been doing it ever since then because I'm like, well, plus my wife would kick my butt if I didn't. Yeah, Angie got me into it. But yes, they have been a few times, not every time, but they've been a few times I didn't return the cart to the cart holder. How about you all? Now, I see lots of people that don't turn these carts back, man. Oh my God. And it's not just any certain people. All walks of life. It literally cracks me up how many people will not turn that cart back. I've seen people literally put it in the parking space next to them, just walk off. But what I seen the other night was freaking funny as hell. It's almost like Poetic Justice a little bit. Okay, I'm going to tell you what happened real quick the other night. It was a lady who came out of Walmart and she unloaded the groceries into her truck. Then she left the cart right smack dab in somebody's in his parking spot. Right there. Didn't have two cares for the world, and she got back in her truck, and what I'm going to tell you next was downright funny. Okay, we're going to walk on down here by the creek, and that wind is coming in like you would not believe. I hope like hell it ain't going to mess it up. But anyway, she put her groceries in her truck and let that grocery cart right in the parking spot. Then she gets in her truck, she starts the truck up, and normal people just ease out of their parking spot when they take off. No, this woman gunned it. Next thing you heard was, how you like that? There was a grocery cart right in front of her truck where somebody did the exact same thing she did, and she didn't see it, and she smashed right into it. And when she smashed into it, she got out of her truck, and she went and checked out the damage. She come around there, and I'm at this time, I'm like, my window's down because I was waiting for somebody to get out of Walmart, and she's like, that just broke my headlights. That busted my headlights all to pieces. The nerve of some people leaving their damn cart. I was like, lady, didn't you just do the same damn thing? All right, real quick, guys. I noticed there's a note on a pole here. It says, dude, you left your pole. I have it and walked off as long as I could. Oh, okay, evidently somebody left the fishing pole down here, and a guy left a note on the little post right here to let whoever, you know, guy left his pole down here know that he has his pole. Hey, that's pretty awesome. But anyway, yeah, she was complaining for what the person did, and she did the same damn thing, folks. Guys, I will admit, back about, oh shoot, I don't know, years ago, I have left carts. I never parked them in a parking spot where nobody can get in. I always kind of put them in that little yellow area. But I have done it a few times. I haven't done this in years, though. That is fact. But I'm also going to tell you, I've seen little old ladies I've seen handicapped people will literally walk these carts back to the cart return. I've seen a little old lady the other day take her cart and push it right back into Walgreens after she got done using it. So, man, if they can do it, why can't we too, right? Like I said, I would be a liar if I said I'd done this the whole time. No. So leave me comments down there. Do you return your cart to the cart return? And also leave comments down there. What would you have said to that lady if you seen her crash into the cart, knowing she did the same thing? She's like, they're nervous, some people. I said, ma'am, didn't you just do the same damn thing? Alright guys, this is it right here, y'all. Hopefully this weather, warm, beautiful weather, will continue another day or so, but it's not going to. No, it won't do this. Old man Winter's going to show his face many, many times. Hell, winter just started. Alright guys, until next time, come on, let's get out of here. Leave me comments down there. Do you return your cart to the cart return? just asking. Alright, we'll talk to you next time, y'all.